Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do kind of a twofold thing. So first of all, there's a new Facebook group called Scrap With Your Stash. It is put on by Desiree Tales, who is here on YouTube, and she put herself out there and created a really awesome Facebook group that I am a part of. I will leave the link down below if it's something you think you're interested in. And I'll leave the link to her video so you can check it out and kind of see the vibe that's going to happen in her group. But I have been following her since she started doing YouTube videos and all of that. And way back when we had that Crafty Maven thing, I was on there with her and all of that. So I've been following her for a while, and she's a very, very sweet lady, comes in and out. Obviously a mama of two, so busy life, right? And she wanted to create a Facebook group and use up her stuff because, as a few of us have mentioned lately, the price of collections are just, they're kind of astronomical now and not necessarily affordable. And why it's great when you can get the latest and greatest, but when you can't, and when you have all this gorgeous stuff at home in your stash, why not use it? So that's kind of where we're going here. The challenge is to break open a collection you hadn't touched. Now I'm cheating a little tiny bit because this was a brand new, I had just opened it to create my layout for Sarah Scrap's Sketches Reimagined that just went up Wednesday. So I've touched this once because of that. But however, that being said, I broke into it this month, and so I'm considering it a brand new collection that had never been touched, and I'm including it into this challenge. So it is the Heart and Home by Becky Moore for Photo Play, and this was a collection kit I received, so it has a couple extra things in it. But the point of it is it has this along the paper, along with the little bit of a cardstock ephemera that comes with Photoplay. Remember, Photoplay doesn't tend to have a ton of embellishing to them. It also came with some Simple Stories stickers, and then some hearts, and this little cozy together thing with some more hearts. So that is what I am going to be working with. I thought I would make a page kit up or two. And my plan is actually to combine this with the challenge I gave everyone over on 30 Days of Sketches of a gorgeous sketch that Sharon had found, and I couldn't include it for this upcoming March round 9 of 30 Days of Sketches. So I just made it into a challenge for January for everyone to play with. And I'm gonna just randomly pick someone to send a little bit of goodies to from my stash. So that'll be fun. But hopefully the sketch has popped up so you can see it. You're more than welcome to play. Head on over to my Facebook group for more information about that. And let's have a quick look here, and we'll make a page kit. And then on the next video, I will go ahead and film the actual video. So I also have this little bit of scrap left from the layout I had created for Sarah's, and I actually love how this looks. So automatically that is going to be a base for one of them. That's really pretty. There's stickers that get included. I did forget. There's always stickers included in that as well. So I've used that side, so let's flip it over. It's got a really pretty red. I've got some, I used that yellow up already, and I have taken this card, this card, this card, and this along with the opposite side to put into a Project Life. So that's been used up. So we will definitely take advantage of the yellow. I think, well, I'm thinking I like that. We've used the wood grain already. Do I have a layout to do about tea? I don't really drink tea, although that's really cute. I love this as a background, that blue, so maybe we'll pull that in. I also like this. Ooh. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, I'm gonna just do a little trimming here. Let's do 3" and see what that leaves us. If I do 3 inches, that leaves me with a little strip. Okay, I think that will be okay. I just need a little strip of it for this part, and then this can go in with that. There, perfect. Okay, so we kind of have 2 going on now. And this is how I work with Paige. It's nice with this collection too, because there's not a ton of paper. There's 2 of each one. This I find hard. I struggle with stripes. I really struggle with stripes, especially when they're great for a border, which you can see I've done, but I just struggle. So we're gonna go ahead and focus on that green because I just can't do that. There's a plaid, which would make a really great border, and that one says kind of fall to me. So maybe we'll do a quick fall layout. Yeah, see, like what if we went like, I'll leave both of these greens in, but you could do a border here with the green, and then we could do this too. Okay, I'm liking those, so that will be another one. And then let's see what we're gonna do with this red. I think I'm liking the red there, although let's have a look. Do we like it with this? Brings a little too much. Okay, I don't like the red with that, so that's okay. Do I like it with this? Yeah, a little. So I'm gonna leave this with this, and we'll see what happens. I'll try and do this one first, so if I need it, I can go from there. We've got these 3 pieces, which just leaves us with this green, a stripe that I don't know how to use. I'm gonna put this green in with this one, and then we have, this will be a great base for one of them somewhere along the line. I'm just not sure where, and if I don't use it, it just simply goes into my stash. So perfect, you guys, we have 3 layouts that we've been able to create, and I'm gonna just, well, I'm gonna put it with this, I think. We'll see what happens. We have 3 layouts that we can create, so that's fabulous. And then I will, oh, hold on. All right, let's wrap this one up. So it's now afternoon. I had to take a little break this morning and do some housework and stuff like that. Not deal with my kids, but be with my kids. It always sounds bad when you say deal with your kids. I'm sure you all know what I mean. Okay, so what I have done is I just grabbed some paper to put the stickers on each one of them, and I grabbed some photos. So that is where we're at. There we go. These are our 3 kits we got, and some photos. So I don't know which one I'm going to use for the sketch yet. I haven't figured that out, but it needs to be one. I did grab some photos for it though. I was thinking I could do this one right here. And what they are photos from not this year, but last year when we went to the pumpkin patch. And this is not, I mean, we're in the pumpkin patch there, but I thought if I took this like this, there we go. I figured that would get all of us in there, kind of, and I can trim these ones down. Will give me the look I'm looking for, and then we can do the pattern paper. So I wonder, this is the one that I have kind of the, yeah, this is kind of the one, although this isn't going to work with that, but maybe we could do the blue. I think we'll do this for that with the pattern and go from there. So that means we've got the photos. I don't have but this isn't very pumpkin patchy. But what do we have here? We have She Was Happy. We can do this fun little that. Let's see here. Da, 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 da. I think that's about all we got for stickers on that one, which is okay. This isn't actually like my favorite sticker sheet ever, so I'm not really worried about that necessarily. But I got a couple, so that's good. and snuggle up, homemade friends, hockey, acne nibs. Okay, that should work for that. And then is there any, oh no, what did I do with my little package of, I at one point had a little package of the embellishments. Did I lost them. So, okay, you can see I didn't add much, but what will happen is I will create the layout and then bring in some autumn theme stuff to play in with that. So I've got 2 stickers, you know, you got to call that good. The idea of it in this. So that's going to be the first one. Like I said, these aren't going to be anything too crazy. We're just kind of starting off. And then I've got, I don't really need that. Oh, here they are. Found them. Found them. Here they are. Let's see. Do we think one of those would fit in with, I'm going to pull that back now. I found it. I'm wondering if one of these will fit in, like, can we tuck, that's kind of red, but let's do that. Friends, family. I was wondering, like, if I could do this with one of them. Okay, I was wondering if I went like this with the one and then made them all kind of the same size. If that would work. I think it would. Okay, I like that idea. Do that. Got home. Take out this family one. And I think that's good for now. Okay, there. That added just a couple extra things there. Perfect. Now, what are we going to do for this one? I really like, really digging these colors together. So pretty. Okay, I have some like day in the life stuff I thought I could possibly use. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I have a lot of day in the life. But I also have this one, which is us on Thanksgiving. So I thought that might work. And then I thought this cozy together would be the good title there. So we'll do that. And let's see here. Bless this home and those who enter. That's not exactly what I'm wanting. There's that home. How about this? Let's get cozy. That's a good one. And maybe we can use this for something. And I want to use these, but they're very, that's already there. So like, do I do that or should I try to use this one? I'm going to try. We're going to try it. We'll try to use that. I don't know how, but we'll try. Maybe I should move this, switch this over with this one. There we go. Okay. That's good there. We've got that. I should probably bring in the hearts in with that one too, just in case I decide to do like a heart explosion. And that will be the start of the other one. Perfect. Actually, and then let's try and do, because if I do this, actually I'm gonna rip this like this. If I do that, maybe I could do some stitching with that home there. So that will be a fun idea. Okay, done. And then finally we've got this one, which is a little more, you know, I don't know. What do I do with that one? I'm wondering maybe the Mother's Day one. I also have this, which is really possible to document. I like that. Okay, we're gonna do that. I have this, it's our front porch. Well, it's not a porch, but it's our front entrance at fall, and I have this cute little wreath I got, and we have this really fun rug and all of that. So I was really happy with how it kind of looked. So let's go with that and pull in this home. Pull in this home. Like that. How about the nest? The simple, sweet. Oh, look, there's that door. That door will be, if I can make that door work with that, that will look really cute. They don't actually mix, so I don't know how I will, but it would look really cute. I'm thinking maybe this too. Okay. Maybe these candles. And that mason jar. Okay. I like that. Welcome friend. Well, home sweet home. I'm thinking we'll use this one as just like a little something somewhere. So go ahead and do that. I don't think we'll need all of it. Like, we're gonna cut it. There we go, strategically. There we go. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get that put away. Oh, look at this floral. I missed that pretty floral. I don't know how I missed these. No idea how I missed those florals. I like the florals. Okay, perfect. There we go. We're done with the photos. That's good. And laundry, there's that home. There's no place like home. Oh, this big frame. I don't know if that would work. Yeah. No, let's do this. There's no place like home though. Perfect. Okay, so there we go. That gives us what we want. So that's good. I got 3 little stash kits going on. We'll include the thickers as we go. Now what am I going to do with the leftovers? Well, I will go through the stickers and kind of have a look to see if any of them are really things I'm going to actually use. Same thing with the ephemera. And if they are, I will get them separated into little containers, and if they're not, I will get them donated away and out of my stash, because that's the whole plan here. So I hope you liked what I shared with you today. Like I said, please be sure to head on over and see the new Facebook group that Desiree has set up. I think for some of us, it will be a really great place to be. There are other Facebook groups, so you just have to find the ones that work for you and find your tribe, be with them, do your thing. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will be back with these 3 layouts, hopefully by the end of the month. Thanks you. Bye.